Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. Solving quadratics by graphing, part 1. I'd like to show you several different ways to graphing and to solve quadratic equation. This is the one method, which is the basic set the table of value method, which is the general method for graphing any kind of function. So let's see this example. If we want to solve x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0, so we can graph the quadratic function, which is, we graph this one, we graph y equals x squared plus 3x minus 4. We graph this one, we graph this function, and equals 0 means we're solving this question. Actually, x squared plus 3x minus 4 is a quadratic function, which is parabola. When we graph the parabola, we want to find equals 0 means we want to find the intercept with the x-axis, which is y equals 0. So let's set table of value. Normally we choose several points. We choose from from -5 to -4 and to 0 to 4. Choose those points. And so, first of all, we use this formula y equals y when x equals -5. We plug -5 into the function. We have -5 squared plus 3 times -5 minus 4. We calculate the value. -5 squared equals 25 minus 15 minus 4. This gives us this one, 25 minus 15 is 10, minus 4 equals 6. Then we plug y equals x equals -4. -4, we have -4 squared plus 3 times -4 minus 4. We've got the positive 16 minus 12 minus 4. This one exactly equals 0. And then we have y when x equals -3. We got -3 squared plus 3 times -3 minus 4 equals 9 minus 9 minus 4, which will give us -4. And looking for the y value when x equals -2. Same thing, we plug the number into the expression. We have 4 minus 6 minus 4, which is -6. -1 squared plus 3 times -1 minus 4, which is 1 minus 3 minus 4. This one is give us another -6. These two same. That means these two, between these two, we need to choose another number. I will explain more detail for you later. Okay. Then for the y when x equals 0, whatever here, we need to put number here. 0. X equals 0, you can see. This is 0 squared plus 3 times 0 minus 4. Actually, this is 0, this is 0. 0, 0, 0 is -4, which is -4 here. And when x equals 1, this is 1 squared plus 3 times 1 minus 4. Okay, this is 1 plus 3 minus 4 equals 0. See? This is 0, this is 0. Right? and y when x equals 2 with 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 4 give us 4 plus 6 minus 4, we got a positive 6. And y equals, when x equals 3, it's 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 4, 9 plus 9 minus 4 is 9 plus 9, 18 minus 4 is 14. And y equal value when x equals 4, 4 squared plus 3 times 4 minus 4 give us 16 plus 12 minus 4 with 28 minus 4 is 24. Because negative 2, x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 1, they got both negative 6. That means you can see when x increasing, y decreasing, then after negative 6, negative 4, y increasing again. So this one is at the corner, they turn, the parabola turn down and up. So we need to choose another number between these two. Negative 2, negative 1, we can choose negative 1.5. Between these two, we can choose negative 1.5, which we put here, negative 1.5, which is between negative 2 and the negative 1. So we also can calculate when x equals negative 1.5, we got negative 1.5 squared plus 3 times negative 1.5 minus 4. Negative 1.5 squared got a positive 1.5 squared is 2.25 minus 3 times 1.5 is 4.5 minus 4. This gives us, this one is negative 6.25. See? This is negative 6, and down again negative 6.25, and then go to increasing negative 6. So this one you can see, this is the bottom, is the vertex, the minimum value. After setting this, so we can graphing. So on graphing, next I graphing on the other paper. So I already put the x value, y value already copied on this table, so that easy for us. This one 6.25, this one here, easy for us to graph it, right? And when I set x, y value, you can see, because the x is from negative 5 to positive 4, you can see negative 6 here. This is, you need to choose scale evenly, right? Each one. And the vertical, the scale for horizontal and the vertical not has to be same. You can make different, but on x, each negative 1, negative 2, each unit has to be same. On the vertical, you can choose its own scale, but also need to be same. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10, and another 5 is 20, 30. This is the same thing. Then we can plug the value. X equals negative 5, y equals 6. So 6 is 1, 2, 3 here. This one here. This point. X equals negative 5, y equals 6. X equals negative 4, y equals 0, which is exactly on the x-axis. X equals negative 3, y equals negative 4, down 2 units here, 4 here. X equals negative 2 equals negative 6, negative 2 is negative 6 here. Negative 1, negative 6. So that's why I say we choose negative 1.5 between negative 1 and negative 2. You go negative 6.25. This is negative 6. Negative 6.25 a little bit down is a quarter of this point. This point. See, this is the decreasing down and then turn up, increasing. And then we can go to 0 is negative 4. 0 is negative 4, which is this point on the y-axis. Normally we call y-intercept. And x equal 1, y equals 0 here. X equal 2, y equals 6. 1, 2, 3 unit here. X equals 3, y equals 14. This is 10, 14, 2 unit up. And x equals 4, y equals 24. 24 above 20 have another 2 units. So we have this point here. This is a 4. This is 24 here, right? This is a 4. This is 24 here. That's it. That's enough for us, right? So we can join this point using this point. The smooth line, curve, and join. Extend a little bit. You can see these 2 points. The parabola touching the x-axis make y equals 0, which we're looking for, right? Because the equation, they say x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Which x make this equal 0, which is the solution. Now we find it. 1 is x equal 1, make y equals 0, which is one solution. The other is negative 4, with solution. That's why from this graph we can say solve it. We have x1 equal negative 4, this one, x1, this is the x2 equal 1. This is presented by Wise Guys. Thank you.